Welcome to my channel Tarot Queen 777. It would be a great pleasure to read for you Taurus for June 2025. So, picking the cards for Taurus for relationships for June 2025. Okay, hold on, hold your horses, Taurus. I hope you've had a good month going back in the past. Judgment in the past, picking for past, present, and future. Um, World, a sense of completion as far as relationships are concerned, a sense of coming a full circle, you know. And Hermit, a card of looking inward, a period of isolation. But the cards are generally good in the past. You've got Judgment, World, and Hermit. Let's see, Seven of Swords in the present. So that's Eight of Swords in the present. A stressful time, maybe something that was going well in the past has reached a period of completion, and now there's a sense of stagnancy and stuckness and a little bit of stress, you know. And Hierophant, a card of traditional relationships in the present. You're looking for more commitment from this person, you're looking for a more traditional approach to the relationship. Okay, but there's a period of stress because your values don't match, or there is some kind of disagreement as far as values and traditions go. Justice, a card of balance in the future. A card of balance in the future. King of Swords, a period of sternness in the future, a period of being practical and looking inward and taking practical steps, working on yourself. And Four of Cups in the future. So let's analyze the cards. You have Hermit, you have World, and you have Judgment. So in the past, things were going well with you and this person, but there is a sense of completion, a sense of stagnancy that you arrived at, and you were hoping for a more traditional kind of commitment, but maybe there is a communication gap with this person. Maybe you all are not communicating enough. It's all about counting your blessings, and the thing is that things may look good in the future. Um there is some kind of disillusionment as far as this relationship is concerned, a kind of getting lost in illusions and thoughts and a quagmire of thoughts. Let's see what the outcome card is for relationships for Taurus for June 2025. You have Magician, so a harmonizing of elements, a sense of balance. So this relationship may reach its logical conclusion. There might be more commitment from this person. Let's see what we have in the Shadow Wheel of Fortune. So a period of luck. And Queen of Wands, a period of creativity and fertility. And King of Cups, a period of great emotional closeness and warmth. So things are looking good for relationship wise for Taurus. Let's check the cards for career for Taurus, picking for past, present, and future. Hierophant in the past, so career has been going reasonably well. Queen of Wands, yeah, so career going reasonably well. Eight of Swords, so a period of stress has also been accompanying this good wave in your life. Page of Cups, messages of friendship are going to further your prospects. Empress is always good for career, card of prosperity, abundance, and looking forward, there's a period of great abundance. Ten of Wands, so a kind of stuckness, but maybe a spiritual looking inward that is causing you to not focus on on the practical aspects of life. Again, as in the relationship reading, you've got Six of Swords in the same position. So there's moving on to more peaceful territory, being more at peace with yourself. Page of Pentacles, um, good message of money coming in. And Tower, something has happened or something is about to happen in the future that will sweep the rugs off your feet. So, looking forward, maybe you will feel a sense of being shaken up by your circumstances. And let's check the outcome card for career for Taurus. Two of Wands. So there's a need to brush up on your scholarship and your knowledge and to explore future options. Let's see what we have in the shadow. We have 10 of Cups. We have 6 of Wands. So good times, celebration, celebrity, and Devil. So a card of commitment to your work. So things are not so bad career wise for Taurus. So if you want a more detailed personalized reading, you can check out the details in my description box. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you very much. This is Tarot Queen 777. Thanks.